Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Ledger Flex. First, carefully unbox your new Ledger Flex device. Ensure all components, like the USB-C cable, are present. Next, connect your device to a power source using the provided cable. Power it on by holding the main button for a few seconds. You will then be prompted to select your preferred language from the on-screen menu. This initial step is crucial for a smooth start. Now let's configure your Ledger Flex. Choose Set up as new device to start fresh. You'll need to create a robust PIN code, ideally 8 digits long, to secure your device. This PIN protects against unauthorized access. Most importantly, carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the provided recovery sheet. Double-check and confirm this phrase when prompted, as it is your only backup. With your device configured, it's time to install Ledger Live. Download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. Then, connect your Ledger Flex to Ledger Live using the USB-C cable. Follow the clear on-screen instructions within Ledger Live to install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need. Always ensure your device's firmware is updated to the latest version for the best security and performance. Finally, you're ready to manage your crypto assets. Use Ledger Live to easily add accounts for various cryptocurrencies. When sending or receiving assets, always verify all transaction details directly on your Ledger Flex screen before confirming. This crucial step prevents errors. Remember to keep your 24-word recovery phrase in an extremely safe and private location, never storing it digitally. Your Ledger Flex is now ready for secure use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.